Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look at XRP here. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really appreciate the support. And as we can see here, looking at the chart, we can see quite clearly XRP's had quite a nice little bounce over the past week with some very bullish news in the SEC case. The Hinman documents will not be sealed, so they will be allowed to come out eventually. Basically, it's most likely going to contradict everything the SEC has been arguing for in the Ripple case. If that is the case, I do think that Ripple are going to win the lawsuit, or at least settle very favourably. If that is the case, obviously XRP is probably going to head up in a big way, in my opinion. We can see here, obviously, off this little bit of bullish news, we came from this little area here down in between around 42 and 44 cents, where we were consolidating, run all the way back up to around, what was it, 47-ish cents, back into that previous area of structure, and then coming down here and back testing that Fibonacci level that I did say before. I was considering taking a long position in and around that Fibonacci level. Now we've come back up above it. You can see here, come back into it and got the bounce in this area, coinciding with this previous level of support that we did see before the breakdown. And I do think that, you know, we'd probably see ourselves getting a bounce here, at least back up towards the top of this area here. So that's a trade that I'm in now, just taking a small position there to see if we can get a little bit of change out of the market on a potential bounce to this area, back up to at least the top of this range high that we've come back inside of now. Overall, XRP, obviously a cryptocurrency that is still looking to hit its all-time high from the 2018 bull run. You can see here, up at around $3.40, currently at around 46 cents. Heading up towards, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's around an 8x. Back to that all-time high, which would obviously be nice. And right now, as you can clearly see here, we are looking for essentially a breakout of this previous bear market resistance, which you are currently still stuck under. Obviously, breakout, back test, continuation of this first one. And right now, looking like we are doing a 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing here. Back testing that previous swing high and maybe looking for that next leg up in the bullish market structure that we are seeing for XRP. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.